Good morning, students. Myself, Sanjay sir. Welcome you to e-learning platform of St. Michael Higher Secondary, Chhaoni, Bettiya. As you know that we have started online classes for all the subjects where we are providing useful and meaningful study materials and hope that you are going to benefit from all those materials. As you know that I am a teacher of English language and literature. I have decided to teach you how to write a letter which is equally important for class 9 and 10. Letter is a short composition. It is written to convey any message, any appeal, any request, any demand and anything else which comes within the boundary of requirement or supply. Letter may be in form of demand as well as supply. It is written in very interesting manner. It has been an integral part of our life. It has been integral part of our present, past or future scenario. It is not out of way to mention here that letter is now becoming outdated in this digital world, but its importance has not been denied. Letter is mainly of two kinds. First one is formal letter and the second one is informal. Formal letters and informal letters are two important categories, two important kinds of letter. Formal letters are known as letter to the editor, letter to business head, letter to any head of any institution, letter to any official head. It has got different names. It is known by different names. In some of the books, these names have been given as a classified form of formal letter. While the second letter is informal, it is just opposite to formal in meaning, in way and in presentation. While formal letter is known as public letter, informal letter is known as private letter. Formal letters are written to head, to any editor, to any business head, to any official head, while informal letters are written to our very close persons, our family members, or any friend, one who is very close to us. Dear students, both of the letters have got very definite format, have got very definite style, and before that, I would like to make you clear that the old pattern of writing formal or informal letters have been just denied and they are not used as a part of the formal letters. I would like to tell you that if you are writing any letter, whether it is formal or informal, no matter at all, you have to follow such common instructions as I am going to write. Use left side in parallel way. This point is very important. In old version of writing letters, we used to write some parts in right side, but the present version, the modern version, is going to make it clear that writing everything in just left side. That should be written in parallel way. That should be written in very specific manner that adds glory to the beauty of your writing. So don't forget that everything has to be written in left side in very parallel way. Second one is that change the para starting from beginning. This point I would like to make it clear that in earlier version, in old version of writing letter, we used to change the paragraph from the middle of the line. Students, that way has been changed. You have to change your paragraph from the beginning of the line. If you change it from the middle of the line, it will be wrong and marks may be deducted for your wrong presentation. So take it in mind, change your paragraph from the beginning of the line, and before that you have to conclude your earlier line 1 or 2 words before. You have to make your earlier line 1 or 2 words before. So don't change the paragraph from the middle of the line. Third one is that use simple and meaningful way of writing. Third point that I would like to make it clear that you have to use your language simple. You have to make your statement, your any systematic explanation very simple, and that should be meaningful. You have not to round about the way. You have not to add some extra points, some extra suggestions which are not needed in writing the letters. The way of writing the letters must be meaningful, simple and meaningful language must be used, and you have to keep it in mind that your simple and meaningful way of writing, meaningful uh, way of just presentation may add beauty to your glory. So don't write long sentences. They may be just wrong if you have no capacity to present them in very beautiful and in very meaningful manner. So rest of the ways will be taught in next video. So stay healthy, stay at home. Good night.